Welcome to Office Events Client Notification. In this video, we will explain how the client notification works. To begin, inside the client file, go to the Office Events section. Into the far right column, we have it titled Client Notification. We display days, and it says 5 default. What that means is in 5 days, a client notification will be sent out to the client, either through email or through text or both. And the default means that it was set up in admin to default to every 5 days. If you'd like to change that, you'd select the edit pencil, and maybe for this client you want it to go out every 3 days. So in the override field, select 3, save it, and so now the client will get a client notification every 3 days. Right below here, we have a tracking as to when the notification actually will be sent out. So it says days to the next notification. So in this example, it'll be 3 days from now, they will get a notification. And so tomorrow it would show in 2 days, the next day it would show in 1 day, and then it would go out, and then it would start all over again. So this is just a way of tracking when the notification is actually going to be sent out to the client. Right below this, where it has 2 highlighted in red, that's just tracking how many notifications or messages have actually been sent out to the client already. So in this example, it's showing 2 have been sent to the client. If you want to see when they've been sent and what messages have been sent, just click on the printer icon. And this is a log of all the client notifications. So the to address is showing that this first one was sent as an email, then as a text. Here's the subject, the message, and the date and time they were sent. Right below, it says send instant notifications. So if you'd like to send out a notification right now and not wait for the 3 days, you just select the link. And instantly, if you see here, the numbers went from 2 to 4. So both an email and a text was just sent out to the client if I want to take a look at them. Now I can see 2 more are on this log and the date and the time. So that's how you'd send out an instant one right now if you don't want to wait for the default, or as it normally would occur every 3 days. If you want to completely shut this off, you just select the edit pencil and check the box, disable notifications, and then you'd save, and that would shut the notifications from going out anymore at the client level and at this office event level. Now I'm going to display on the home page where the client notifications show up and how you can create them. If you go to rejects, and in this office event, the far right hand column, it says notifications. You see there's a 4, same that was displaying inside the client file. This is just telling me that 4 messages have been sent out for this client. And if I want to take a look at them, again, I just select the printer icon and I'll see the log. If I'd like to send out notifications right from this office event page, I would just check the box on whichever clients I'd like to send it. Then I would hit send instant notifications. And then in this example, to both an email and as a text was just sent to the client, and so the number just went from 4 to 6. I want to point out that this send instant notification button will not display unless you actually have a notification set up in admin. And one other thing I'd like to point out is right now in this example, this client's getting both an email and a text. And the reason they're getting both is obviously we have that set up in admin and client notifications, but 2, we have to have an email for the client in the contact information section and also a cell phone number and the cell phone provider. So we have that. It was set up in admin properly, and that's why this client is getting both a text and an email. So the actual assistance on setting up the messages, I'm going to refer you to admin setup client notifications. Regarding how the actual notifications work, that's all I have to say. Thank you.